Hey guys, welcome back to another Roblox video, and today we are playing Escape the Diner Obby. Also, I was going to tell you guys, I was originally going to do face cam for this video, but it just wouldn't work, so I have to do no face cam, but I just can't, because apparently my face cam is working because it just wouldn't come up, isn't working because it just wouldn't come up. Yeah, so we are playing Escape the Diner Obby today. I probably said that twice. Yeah, I wish I could. I was literally like, I had to unplug it. I don't know what's wrong with it, but I had to unplug my face cam. Just because I died at that one part doesn't mean I want to skip the stage. Doesn't mean it's hard. Okay. All right. Oh! Wait, what? Alright. This stage is hard. What the heck? How do I just die? Why do I keep dying? How? I didn't touch it. How? How did I die? Like, how? How did I die? Like, how did I die? Like, how the heck? How? Like, literally, this stage is impossible to beat. How? I literally didn't touch it. I'm so glad I didn't actually. Oh, my face cam wasn't working. Because you do not want to see my face when I'm raging so hard. How? Alright, this is literally impossible to beat. How? I didn't touch it! Finally! I just hit my head. How'd she die? Alright, I think we have to jump on the cheeseburgers. Okay, sorry for that big silence right there. I was just so focused. Sorry if I was so quiet. I was just so focused. Now, I'm probably not going to speak most of this video because I'm just so focused. And I was like, oh, that's his heart. But I didn't say anything, though. I thought it in my head. I don't want to touch this. Oh. You don't die when you touch the heart. Oh! I fell in his spit. Oh! Okay. I gotta. Oh! Now I gotta really focus on this one. Because I only have, like, I don't know how many minutes, like, until the recording ends. Hopefully, I can finish it soon. Oh! Maybe it would be easier if I looked up. Now I'm not gonna speak. Oh! Okay, I'm not gonna speak through this level. Okay. Alright, guys. Okay, so I was just so silent during that stage. And I actually was silent. These bones look really weird. Well, I was silent for, like, 2 stages. Jesus, how long is this? Oh, we're right up there. Oh my god. Oh! Oh, I think I know what's coming up next. Oh, okay. Oh, I knew it. I knew it. I knew this was coming up next. Ew, I died from it. Hut! 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 Oh. Ew. Alright, next stage. We're back in the diner. I think these are French fries. Yeah, they are. Oh! I fell in the water. Okay. So hopefully I can complete this while the video is still going. Because I may even complete it without the video going if it stops. How many... This is a, like... How many levels are there? I think this might be the last level. How? I think this might be the last level. What do I do? How do I do this? How do you die from that? Do I have to jump on the sausages? I think the sausages are what you have to jump on. I literally do. Yep. Stay focused. I have to stay focused. How? I literally didn't touch it. How? 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 How did I die? Like, how am I dying? How the frick am I dying? Like, what the hell? What the heck? Thankfully, I paused it because I was raging like crazy. I think this is... No, this isn't sushi. I do love sushi, by the way. No doubt, I love sushi. I think the end might be coming soon. Alright, what do I do here? What the heck do I do here? No doubt, I think I'm about to win this. Yes, baby, let's go! I won! Alright, guys, well, that's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!